Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. BMW, a name synonymous with luxury, performance, and innovation, has solidified its position as one of the world's premier automotive brands. Founded in 1916 in Munich, Germany, Bayerische Motor and Werke AG, BMW initially produced aircraft engines before transitioning to motorcycles and automobiles. One of BMW's defining characteristics is its commitment to precision engineering. From the iconic kidney grille to the powerful engines under the hood, every aspect of a BMW vehicle reflects meticulous attention to detail. This dedication to craftsmanship ensures that each car delivers an unparalleled driving experience, blending power with refinement. Performance is at the heart of every BMW model. Whether it's the nimble handling of the 3 Series sedan, the exhilarating acceleration of the M Series, or the electric-powered efficiency of the X SUV, BMW offers a diverse range of vehicles to suit every driver's preferences. The brand's motorsport heritage is evident in its high-performance M division, which produces track-inspired variants for enthusiasts seeking ultimate thrills. Beyond performance, BMW is synonymous with prestige. Owning a BMW is more than just driving a car, it's a statement of success and sophistication. The brand's iconic logo is instantly recognizable worldwide, symbolizing luxury, elegance, and status. In recent years, BMW has embraced sustainability and technological innovation. The introduction of electric and hybrid vehicles, such as the i3 and i8, demonstrates BMW's commitment to reducing its environmental footprint while maintaining its signature performance standards. Additionally, BMW has integrated cutting-edge technologies into its cars, including advanced driver assistance systems, infotainment features, and connectivity options, to enhance both convenience and safety. Looking to the future, BMW continues to push the boundaries of automotive excellence. With ongoing investments in research and development, the brand remains at the forefront of automotive innovation, poised to redefine the driving experience for generations to come. In conclusion, BMW's legacy is built on a foundation of precision, performance, and prestige. As the automotive industry evolves, BMW remains a beacon of excellence, consistently setting new standards for luxury and innovation. Let me know if you need more information or if there are any specific aspects you'd like to focus on.